Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the NGGNGG TV antenna indoor for local channels. Advertised as a long-range solution capable of picking up channels from over 1,200 miles away. This antenna is marketed as a sleek, black indoor accessory that can enhance your TV viewing experience without the need for cable subscriptions. The model number for reference is 2028, and it weighs just over 10 ounces, so it's compact and easy to place anywhere in your living room. Right out of the box, this antenna impresses with its minimalist design. It's lightweight and unobtrusive, making it suitable for modern setups where you don't want bulky equipment interfering with your living space. The antenna connects easily to your HD TV using a standard coaxial cable, so no complicated installations or extra equipment are required. It's compatible with all HD TVs, and the claim of 1,200 plus miles of range is certainly eye-catching. Although real-world performance will naturally depend on your distance from broadcast towers and any potential obstacles like walls or other structures, setting it up is straightforward. The antenna is flexible in terms of placement, so you can experiment with different spots to optimize signal reception. Unlike some indoor antennas that demand precise window placement, this one can function well even behind your TV or on a shelf. Its design allows it to sit neatly without interfering with your decor, which is a plus if you're looking for a clean, modern setup. Performance-wise, this antenna is capable of picking up a variety of local channels. However, while the range specification sounds impressive, it's important to manage expectations. Signal strength and channel availability are influenced by location, distance from broadcast towers, and even the materials used in your home's construction. In practice, this antenna performs best in areas with a strong broadcast signal and might require repositioning to achieve optimal results. This antenna is also lightweight and portable, meaning it's easy to move around if you change rooms or want to test different locations for better reception. It's designed to be plug and play, so you don't have to deal with complicated setups or extra adapters. The antenna includes a standard coaxial cable that's long enough for most setups, allowing you to position it strategically without strain. From a design perspective, the black finish is subtle and blends well with most TVs and entertainment centers. The antenna's compact footprint makes it unobtrusive, which is ideal if you want a setup that doesn't draw attention. It's also easy to store or relocate if needed, making it a flexible solution for renters or those who frequently rearrange their living space. In summary, this antenna indoor for local channels offers an attractive combination of design, portability, and potential range. It's simple to set up and compatible with most HD TVs, making it a convenient alternative to cable subscriptions. That said, while the advertised 1,200-mile range is ambitious, real-world performance will depend on your specific location and the strength of local broadcast signals. Overall, this antenna is a solid option for anyone looking to access free local channels without cluttering their space with external equipment. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product analysis. See you in the next video.